This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brandy Copeland. Spectacular high-bank waterfront home with views for days of the Salish Sea. This 4-bedroom home on PT Whitehorn would be a fantastic full-time residence or a fun weekend VRBO getaway investment. Large windows and sliding doors encompass the beautiful bay views. All main living is on the main floor, including a bonus room that would be an excellent work-from-home office, with an exterior door, game room, or 5th bedroom bunk room. Fresh paint throughout. The lower level features new flooring, another bathroom with a shower, 3 additional bedrooms, a family room, and a ground floor entrance. Great backyard with space for entertaining around the fire pit or outdoor dining. You are within walking and biking distance to Birch Bay State.